Hello everybody, welcome back to our course. I am Yuli. I want to teach you about how to make a simple program that can call the function in JavaScript. But before we dive deep to learn how to implement it, I want to remind to you about the important information that the website programming is always involved two different parts. There are front end and also back end. What is front end? Front end is the apps or platform that running on the endpoint user, and the back end is the application that running on the server side that can be seen by the user. And in this part, we still struggling on the front end application that consists of HTML form and also the JavaScript program. And as you can see in our screen, when there is one button, when the user click it, it will call the function name as my function. This activity is only running on the end user or on their peripheral like laptop, mobile phone, and much more except the server. Now in this part we will dive into practice. For example, I want to make a simple button. I will use the button element, and to call the function in JavaScript we can use the onclick and following with the name of function, for example my function, following with the parentheses, and please give the button information, for example click me. After that we ready to make a function in the JavaScript section. Make sure that the name of function is similar because this is case sensitive, and I will make a simple word. For example, it will display the message you click me. Thanks. Just like this. Okay, I will save it and it will go to our browser, and I will refresh it. And when we click this button, it will triggering the function in my JavaScript.